Previously, we looked at how to do calculate a mean from a frequency distribution, and I showed on the calculator, but I did not show how to do it if you didn't have stat wizards on your calculator. If you've got an older calculator, you might not have that. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause this and input these midpoints into list one and input the frequency into list two. And I'm going to change to my um, um, I'm going to change to my computer screen. And so now I've got this, and I'm going to show you one way to look to see if you do have stat wizards. You can go to mode, and depending on your computer or your calculator, you may be able to see this well or you may not. But if you go down and you have something that says stat wizards, you can turn them on. Just when it's flashing, turn them on, and then you quit out of this. I'm going to go and turn mine off just in case yours does not have that. And so I'll show you what to do if it does not have that. I'm going to go to stat and I'm going to look at my data. Whoops. I've got the data in here with the midpoints and the frequency. And now I want to get the mean from that. So I'm going to go to stat and I'm going to go to calculate and I want one variable stats. And all I get is this screen here, which is just waiting for me to do some inputs. So what I can do is I can hit the list one, and that's the list that I've got my data in. But if I've got a frequency list, and this is something you will have to remember, I have to put this comma here, which is right above the number 7, and then choose list 2. So what it will do is this is the list where my data is, this is the list where my frequency is. If you don't have a frequency list, you don't have to do the comma in list 2. And then you hit enter and you find out that the mean of this is 92.32. And again, the number of data points is 78, which is what you get if you add up the 2 and the 33 and the 35. So that is one of the ways that you can. I'm going to go up just slightly to show you what I had done. You can do the one variable statistics. You do list one comma list two.